Hi, I'm Deb from Skein Sisters. It's box opening time. I get so excited about this. I know you guys do too. So I'm being very, very careful. And then let's put the blade over here, away from the yarn.
Yeah, I got it now.
Yeah, you got it, Janine. Right, let's check this one out.
Ooh.
Oh, it's from our lovely friends Life in the Long Grass. So we have put together a gorgeous collection of colours of moon sock, because we know how much you all love this, and we totally adore it too. This, I don't think we've had this one before. Mountain Creek.
It's very pretty.
That's a totally me colour, isn't it?
So this is
Love that.
wool
So
and silk.
yes, it is. So moon sock, it is 20% silk and 80% superwash merino. And let me just rip open the bag. Just going for the pink.
Look at that. That's so pretty.
Rouge, that's a new colour too, I think.
What else?
And if you have a look,
Oh, here
get
we
close
go.
on the
Oh,
yarn,
yeah,
Janine.
thank
Come
you.
on. It's got really high twist. So that means it gives it strength. It forms a beautiful fabric. And it's got a lovely, lovely sheen and a bit of that lustrousness of the silk coming through too. So, okay, colours.
To the yarn.
All right, back to the yarn. What one? That one I know we've had before. Pewter. That's gorgeous, isn't it? Oh, there'll be magazines in there. We know their magazines are so lovely. If you haven't had a look at them, they're sort of one of those publications where you could make almost everything in it. Yeah. So it's really worth it.
That's pretty.
That's pretty. Frosting.
That's very pretty.
And blossom. Can you knit that fast?
There may be a few left.
Oxidized.
It's pretty.
Okay. Oh, and a purple one.
Ooh,
Fizz.
Wow.
I know Julia's going to like that one. Okay, there's another box. Yeah, I left that one in because you don't need that one too. Oh,
One more box.
okay. One more box. The exciting thing about Life in the Long Grass is that they don't tell us when they're sending
They
it.
just arrived.
They just arrive on our doorstep. Like, normally what we're doing is we're checking the tracking. As soon as something leaves, from overseas, we're checking the tracking every day to find out where it is. This one, it literally just the doorbell rings and here it is. Rove. That's gorgeous. Look, that's almost the colour of my jumper, isn't it? And
beautiful.
autumn. Oh, this is the... Oh, more magazines. I think they've got this one. I think is called Night, and can you see that? It's a really great black, charcoaly black.
Beautiful.
Oh, so many good colours. Barn, yeah, I can imagine. So that's all up on our website now. I think there's probably another couple of boxes to come, but as I said, who knows when they're going to get here.